Hello and welcome to E! Prime. I am Daedran. A new Miss Jamaica World was crowned at the Grand Coronation Show on Saturday. The event, which was broadcast on RETV and TVJ, saw Khalia Hall, Miss General Food Supermarket, being crowned the winner, while Dominic Short and Melissa Vassell, the first and the second runners-up respectively. Hall will represent Jamaica the Miss World pageant in Puerto Rico in December. She shared with E! Prime her excitement about holding the title.
Hello Jamaica! Winning Miss Jamaica World 2021 on Saturday night was such a surreal moment for me. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but I was fighting very hard to hold back the tears of joy. All of us on stage that night, all 15 contestants, we had put in so much work throughout the competition, even though you might not have seen it. And so it was a happy and proud moment because we could recognize that growth in each other and the hard work had finally paid off.
Delia Harris, co-franchise holder, spoke to E! Prime about this year's staging.
We're very excited to go into phase 2 of Miss Jamaica World. Of course, phase 1 being the selection of the best representative for Jamaica to head to Puerto Rico for Miss World 70. We're looking to send a better version of Khalia Hall than she entered on the first day of competition. Already we see that she's made such improvement. She's such a humble young lady, yet so accomplished. And we know that what is required for Miss World, she has all the characteristics.
The international title is now being held by fellow Jamaican Tony Singh, who won in 2019. The pageant was postponed in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The local premiere of the James Bond film No Time to Die took place on Thursday at the Carib 5 Cinema in Kingston. The event saw Minister of Entertainment and Culture Olivia Grange, Managing Director of Cinecom Productions Natalie Thompson, the line producer for Jamaica and Film Commission of Jamaica, Renee Robinson, among others, at a small gathering. According to Minister Grange, the film has promoted Destination Jamaica, Location Jamaica, the culture of Jamaica, the warmth, its people, the vibes, and of course, the music. Scenes from the James Bond film No Time to Die were shot in Portland, Jamaica. The film was due to be released in April last year, but was delayed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The film is now in theaters worldwide. Onto the international scene, where Nigerian stars Wizkid and Tems' track Essence has become the first African song to be certified platinum in the United States by the Recording Industry Association of America. The duo was presented with platinum plaques to commemorate the achievement.
Look at that. So we have a platinum record. I just want to say thank you to everyone involved in this.
Essence from Wizkid's album Made in Lagos topped the Billboard R&B hip-hop airplay chart in September. And reporting for E! Prime.